The dismissal of retired Brigadier General Ezekiel Zibanyana from his post as Director General of ZANU-PF is not just a personal change, it's a flare-up in the party's long simmering succession crisis. Sarabena mashoko arikuda panguva ine vanhu vachikomenda pamusoro pekufaiwa kana kudhismiswa kwaitwa retired General Ezekiel Zabanyana. Panguva ine nobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipinda munhauziri kudanyuka muchinzi. As Zimbabwe inches closer to another pivotal moment in its political evolution, the internal dynamics of the ruling party are once again spilling into public view, exposing fault lines that run deep within its leadership structure. Zibanyana's removal reportedly triggered by his refusal to accredit certain party members for an upcoming conference is emblematic of a broader power struggle that has intensified in recent months, with the whispers of allegiance shifts among retired military officers toward Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Battle lines within ZANU-PF are becoming increasingly visible. This is not merely a clash of personalities in a contest over the soul and future direction of the party. Historically, ZANU-PF has struggled with the transparent succession planning, from the twilight of Robert Mugabe's rule to the military-assisted transition that ushered in President Mnangagwa leadership changes. Have often been marked by intrigue, pegs, and strategic realignments rather than democratic consensus. The firing of Zabanyana fits squarely into this pattern. What makes this moment particularly volatile is the convergence of several factors: a looming national conference, speculation around Mnangagwa's third-term ambitions, and the re-emergence of military influence in the party affairs. The dismissal of a high-ranking or veteran like Zibanyana, once seen as a loyal cadre, suggests that loyalty alone is no longer assured in ZANU-PF's internal calculus. Instead, alignment with the dominant faction is becoming the new current of survival. Thomas Karipo muri Zimbabwe. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pekufaiwa kwa this ZANU-PF general. Pinango mu section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.